Right, hello and welcome. My name's Craig.
I'm Chris.
We're from Coded, and today we're not playing Rocket League. Today we're actually doing some work. We are showing you the
Coded Preloader plugin. So this is one of our slightly older plugins that lets you upload or put a preloader on your website really easily. So what is a preloader?
Well, generally a preloader is something that loads in a page while the page is being drawn in behind it. So one of my pet peeves is a website I go to all the time, and as the page loads I go to push a button and an ad gets pushed in at the top, slides the page down, and I always push the wrong button. So we came up with a preloader that covers the page with a cute image that we'll show you later, and lets the page load in behind, and when the preloader disappears, the page is loaded the way you want it to be shown by the to the customer. So Chris is going to show you how we run our preloader and play it.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do after you've installed the Coded Preloader is to go ahead and activate it. From there you'll see a new option appear in your sidebar called Coded Preloader. We'll click on that. Once you're there, turn it on, and for a start let's just add one of the default preloaders in. We'll choose Spinner 1, and we've got a little preview option, so we're going to hit Show Preview, and as you can see we've got a little spinner. If we scroll down and hit Save Changes and we head over to our website, we'll get to see our preloader in action. And there it goes, and our website has loaded smoothly. If we go to another page, there it goes again. So there are a few default preloaders that you can choose from. However, if you want something a bit more custom, maybe a logo or something, we can do that by hitting Custom, scrolling down to Custom Options and choosing an image. We're going to use our logo here, and then scrolling back up and picking an animation. So we might pick bounce. So we'll check the preview, hit update and then show preview, and there's the bounce. Now it's a bit slow for my liking, so we're going to come down here and just for the sake of it, let's hit insane. The insane speed is not really practical, but it was inspired by Elon Musk's insane mode on his Teslas. Let's go to normal, hit update, and that's nice. So we'll hit Save Changes and go ahead and reload our page, and there we go. Now it might be that you want to see a little bit more of the preloader, because with modern times and broadband speeds increasing, it doesn't really show off the full beauty of our preloader. So we're going to add a delay on. So here, this is in milliseconds, so you want to experiment with this. We might add 1 extra second on, so that's 1,000 milliseconds. Hit Save Changes, refresh, and there's a little longer for our preloader. So the next thing we can do is we could add a bit of text to our preloader. So we're going to come down to Custom Text Options, and let's add a little bit of text in there, and we'll just make it a different color here. We'll go blue and up the font size a bit, change the font to Playfair, and we can choose above or below, but we'll stick with below. Hit refresh, and there it goes. We can actually add a title as well. We'll call this our title. Give that a similar blue, or the same blue. Make it a bit bigger. Make sure it's above. Choose Playfair. Hit Save Changes and head over and have a look. And there we go. So it might be that you just want your preloader to show on the home page. So we can do that by selecting home page only. Now, when we go to our home, we see it exactly how we want it to, but when we go to the about page, it's just a white screen fading in, which is exactly what we want. So the preloader is still there, but we don't see our image or our text. So the next thing we're going to attempt to do is to add a GIF or a GIF. The argument continues. So to do this, we head to choose image, and we've got a GIF already loaded up here. Make sure we select full size. Now, hopefully it's going to do this straight off the bat. Do we have animation on or not for this?
No, don't need animation for this one.
Will it work with animation?
It could do. No, you probably will do. Yes, you leave animation on.
Okay, let's have a look. So we'll check this out in the preview. Ooh. Unexpected bonus there. So let's just try out a different animation this time. There are a lot of animations, so we're going to make it shake. It's going to dance for us. Oh, that's a little trippy. Let's try a different one.
I've got a couple of sites I could put that on. That's brilliant.
Just for the sake of it. Whoa. It's kind of cool. Let's go with that. And just because I'm a sucker for punishment, let's go insane. Let's not go insane. Let's go fast.
Let's not go insane.
There we go. That's kind of cool. So we can also change the background. So we are going to select a dark black background color, and we'll head to save changes, and we'll reload our page. Set to home page only. So there we go. So you can see it's really easy to set up a completely customized preloader using this plugin. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave us a comment below, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Cheers.